This is a vendor crushing raw sugarcane into fresh juice. Is this juice actually healthy, or is it just a glass of liquid candy? Well, this is totally raw. Unlike the white sugar in your kitchen, this juice comes straight from a plant. A single glass is packed with water, cell-protecting antioxidants, and the natural electrolytes, like potassium and magnesium. It's basically nature's original sports drink. But here's the catch. Notice all that pulp the machine throws away? That's the fiber. Without that fiber to slow things down, you're drinking a few teaspoons of pure sugar. Your liver handles sugarcane juice a lot better than a processed soda, but it will still spike your blood sugar instantly. The verdict? It's a fantastic nutrient-dense treat after a heavy workout or on a hot day. Just don't replace your daily water with it. Would you try a glass?